In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the linear algebra, which is for tutorial class. We are going to discuss some problem which is solving a system of equation in this video. So the first question, test for consistency and solve x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 14, 4x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 35, and 3x plus 3y minus 4z plus 4z equal to 21. So the question is asked to test the consistency and we need to solve it. The first thing we need to check the consistency, whether it's consistent or inconsistent, because the consistent means what is it? The rank of A matrix and the rank of augmented matrix like A and B should be equal. Then you can able to tell what is that. You will be having a consistent. If it is a not equal, it will be inconsistent. So first thing we are going to check it that. Then we can able to go for the solving part. Okay. So first thing we need to write it here, system of equation Ax is equal to B, and that we can write in the augmented matrix of AB, because we need to find the rank of A and the rank of AB. So for that reason we are going to find the first augmented matrix of AB. With that we are going to do further finding the rank by using the elementary row transformation. So first thing, A matrix coefficient for 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 7, 3, 3, 4, then 14, 35, 21 for the B matrix. That is what is written here. Now it's coming for AB. What is that? First step, we are going to convert 0 for first element of second row and third row. So what is that? You can see I have 4 here and I have a 3. So you have to use to convert a 0 for the first element. You have to use the first row. So what is that? I'm going to multiple with the 4 for R1. Okay. And I'm going to subtract with your R2 so that it will go for 0. Okay. To convert the 0 for this position, I need a minus 4. So that to be multiple with this entire row, then you can add with the second row. That's what is written. R2 implies minus 4R1 plus R2. So what will happen? You will have multiple with a 4. So you'll have a 0 and then minus 3, minus 5 and minus 21. Similar, you can come for your third row as 3. I have multiple with 3 in entire equations. Then you will be having R3 implies supposed to be needed for minus 3. So just minus 3 of your R1, then add with your R3. So minus 3 R1 plus R3. Okay. So now what will happen? You can see that next step to finding the rank, I need to convert in echelon form. For that reason, I'm going to convert 0 for third row second element. So what will happen? The augmented matrix of AB is equal to first row remains same 1, 2, 3, 14. Second row also remains same 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 21. Now what will happen? Just you can see that the third row and second row remains same. Just you can subtract it. It will go for 0. That's what has done here. R3 implies R3 minus R2. So it will become 0. Minus 3 plus 3 will go 0. Minus 5 plus 5 will be 0. Minus 21 plus 21 will be a 0. That what has got it here, 0. Now you can see, you can write rank. So what is mean by rank of A? You have to take it only the A part, A matrix, right? Have to find the number of non-zero row. So number of non-zero row will give a rank. Okay. The rank of A is equal to 2. And the rank of AB, together you can take AB, the rank of AB will give, it is equal to 2. Okay. So now you can see the rank of A and rank of B is equal, which you got it 2. It is nothing but R is equal to 2. And also what we know already, the number of unknowns. How many number of unknowns we have? X, Y, Z, that is 3. Since R you have it is a small value than your N, that is 2 is less than of 3, right? So in that cases, the system is inconsistent, but it will have an infinite solution. So there will be 3, one is inconsistent and the consistent. You have a 2 solution. One is unique solution and other is an infinite solution. When the rank and the number of unknowns is equal, then it will be consistent and you have a unique solution. If it is a less than, then you'll be having infinite solution. So now the system is consistent and will have a infinite solution, and that is supposed to introduce for the arbitrary constant. So how you can get the arbitrary value? It's supposed to be n minus r. So number of unknowns minus rank, it is nothing but 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and hence you have to take a one variable. Okay, that I am going to consider in terms of z. You can see here from the third equation I can get my z value, right? Here already all it's gone for 0. I'm going to assume arbitrary value in terms of z. Okay, so for that, first you can write from the two equation from this. What is that? X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 14, minus 3y minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Okay, equation number 1 and 2. Now what will happen? You can just consider z is equal to k, that we are considering for arbitrary variable, because since you have a infinite solutions and the rank is also will be having for less than of your number of unknowns. Okay, from equation number 2, substitute z is equal to k. What will happen? Minus 3y minus 5k is equal to minus 21, or y is equal to, take first for minus, this you term as our entire term in terms of minus, you can divide it by minus, it will cancel. So y is equal to, what is that? You have the term, this will go minus, you have it plus 21 minus 5k, then 3 you can take that side, 21 by k, 3 will go for 7. Okay, I'll write it. So minus 3y, which is equal to minus 21 plus 5k, then divided by minus 3, what will happen? Y is equal to minus 21 by minus 3 and minus 5 by 5k by 3. So what will happen? This minus 21 by 3 will go for 7. So 7 minus 5k, right? So now you can see that why we got it 7 minus 5k. So now you can see from the first equation I'm going to substitute my z equal to k and y is equal to 7 minus 5k. What will happen? X plus 2 of 7 minus 5k by 3 plus 3k is equal to 14. From this you can simplify, take inside. Okay, first thing, x plus 7 2s are 14, then minus 10k by 3 plus 3k is equal to 14. Okay, so now what will happen? X you have plus 14 minus 14 will get cancelled. Take a LCM, you have, it is for 3. So minus 10 plus 9 of k. Okay, which is equal to, you will be having, it is for 1, isn't it? So 14 minus 14 will get cancelled. Alright, so now what will happen? This is nothing but, sorry, it will be a 0 because it is got cancelled. Now x minus of 10 minus 10 plus 9 will be 1 by 3. K is equal to 0. So now what is that? X is equal to plus k by 3. That is what has been written, x is equal to k by 3. Okay, so now already we have found here y value, and then x value we found now, and z value we have assumed it. So this is here, what is it? The respective infinite solution for the given system of equations. Since you have a k is an arbitrary, so we can tell it is for infinite solution. Okay, so your next question, show that the following system of equation does not possess any solutions, which is 5x plus 3y plus 7z equal to 5, 3x plus 26y plus 2z equal to 9, and 7x plus 2y plus 10z equal to 5. So what is the question has been given? You have a system of equations, right? And what is that? You have to show that it is does not possess any solutions. That means that it's supposed to be inconsistent, isn't it? The rank of A and the rank of augmented matrix, when it is not equal, then you can tell it is for inconsistent and does not possess any solutions. Okay, so what is that? We need to show that the rank of A and B will not be equal. For that, you have to take augmented matrix first step. So it is 5, 3, 7, 5, 3, 26, 2, 9, 7, 2, 10, 5. So it's like you have all, it is 5, 3, 7 as in prime number. What you are supposed to do? Just you can write as it is the first row. When it's coming for second row and third row, you have 3 and 7. So first you can take 3. To convert 3, you need a minus 3. But here you have a 5. So what I'm going to make it, I'm going to multiple 3 in the first row, 5 in the second row, and I'm going to subtract it. That's what I've done. R2 implies minus 3 R1 plus 5 R2. Okay. Then you will be getting the answer is 0, 121, minus 11, 30. So what will be your third row? Third row will be R3 implies minus 7, you have to multiple with the first row, right? So minus 7 R1 plus 5 into R3. So it will become 0 here and minus 11, 1 and minus 10. So now you can see what I am to make it. I have to convert 0 for third row second element. So for that I can use it. R3 implies what actually I have, it is 11. So here you have 121. So 11 11s are 121. For that I am going to multiple 11 in R3 and I am going to add with your R2 because I have here minus. Just you can add, it will go for 0. So first two rows remain same. The third row then I'll get 0, 0, 0, minus 80. When I'll do the elementary transformation of R3 implies 11 R3 plus R2. Okay. So now what we have, it is a rank of A is equal to 2. Rank of AB is equal to 3 because you can see the rank of only A part you can take, it will be for 2 non-zero row, but you can take it together of A and B, it is for there is no 3 non-zero rows. So the rank of A alone to augmented matrix is 3. In this clearly it is visible the rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. Then the system is inconsistent. So we have proved that the given system of equation doesn't possess any solutions. Okay, since because it is inconsistent. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you.